Hey, hi, this is Sagar here. So today we'll see how to make a fishnet tool for the create a fishnet for the anywhere in your maps or any on the feature or anywhere. So for that I have written code here. This is code I have written as a Python add-ins in ArcGIS or map you can say. So for that I have taken shape as a geometry as a rectangle in that particular class. One of the method is there that is on rectangle. There I have chosen rectangle geometry and I have taken arcpy in name that fishnet. So for that I can create fishnet again and again, and it will be for the it will save as in memory for the temporary, and once it is there means that can be deleted by the arcpy. So I have written code here, and once it can be refreshed in our active view. So that I'll show that code. This is the tool. This is the if I want to make a feature create for the particular, these are the features means for the fishnet for that particular area I want to make fishnet means this is the fishnet tool or command here. If I drag it, automatically make a grids, isn't it? If I drag, if I want to make for these areas or for these particular features, simply I have to drag it. Once I drag it, automatically I can get it. Those are the those fishnet. So like this, we can make a for the small feature also fishnets. Thank you. Thanks for watching.